Welcome to Tips and Tricks Tuesday. I'm Davie with the Sunlight's Balayage Artisan team, and I'm here to show you just a few ways that we do have to use foils sometimes at our balayage salon. Okay, so you can see that her hair is darker, and we're wanting to lift it to be a really even, solid blonde. So whenever someone has like a level 5 and below, it's good to kind of consider foils in your application, especially when they want to be more solid. She was previously a balayage client, and when we were balayaging her, sometimes she felt like she did not have all of the darker pieces covered. So instead of going through, she has a lot of hair, instead of going through and doing more balayage pieces or bigger crochets and brochets, we just found that it's easier to get her to a lighter level with foils. So I'm going through and I'm taking pretty small sections all the way up. And I actually do not weave, I do slices on her entire head. And I started in the back, and then I made my way to the hairline. I did all of the hairline, and I'm gonna finish by foiling all the way up to where she parts her hair. Thank you for tuning in to our Tips and Tricks Tuesdays. If you have any questions about anything, please feel free to follow us and watch our YouTube channel, and make sure you like and subscribe, and have a wonderful Tuesday.